Alright, welcome to my video. This video will be on how to purchase some BNKRX and how to use the stockpile. So you have to be familiar with the Bankroll network. I'm going to assume that you are already in Bankroll, or if not, you can start here as well too. But you're going to need some banker. So make sure you get yourself some banker, because you're going to need that for the farm that's coming up for BNKRX. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy some BNKRX. You're going to need some TRX, and load up your TRONLINK or whatever you're using to use Bankroll. So here's BNKRX, new token. Bankroll's Elastic Reward Token. So, you're going to read about it right here. The Banker Extended Token captures the network value of Bankroll DEFI network and allows everyone in the Tron community to, that's decentralized financial network, and allows everyone in the Tron community to participate passively. BNKRX is scarce, can be staked, and has progressive mining difficulty and elastic inflation, which scales to the saving rates of the community. BNKRX is harvested via Bankroll farm. How much BNKRX you receive is based on the current mining difficulty. Its liquidity grows in proportion to its inflation rate and is locked. So here are the stats. So far, we only have 637 holders of BNKRX token, which is not a lot, as you see. So to get yourself some BNKRX token, you will need to, you can either from the BNKRX page, which is at bankroll.network/BNKRX.html. You can go from here, you can click trade, or you could go to the side menu and you can click SWAPX. To get some banker, you would click here for swap, for banker, sorry. So you can click here SWAPX, or you can click trade here on this page. So I'll close that and I will click trade, which will take you to the SWAPX page. Bankroll SWAPX is the simplest way to exchange value in the Bankroll network for BNKRX. So right now the price is 772.896 TRX per BNKRX. So you will need 773 TRX Tron tokens to convert for one BNKRX. Okay. So let's say you have 3,000 TRX and you want to buy some BNKRX. You would go here, but wait, don't forget, always read about what you're gonna do first. Okay, don't press buttons. So instead of going here, I'm going to skip down here and read first. So Bankroll SWAPX is the official BNKRX liquidity pool on the network. A low transaction fee of 0.3% is charged on buys and sells of BNKRX against the pool. The fees are paid out exclusively to liquidity providers that participate via Stockpile. Stockpile is the other thing I'm going to talk about next. SWAPX is a preferred way to enter in and out of BNKRX positions as needed. Ultimately, players want to stake BNKRX in a farm for maximum long-term gains over time. Okay, so once FarmX comes out, you're going to need BNKRX and Banker to farm BNKRX. Okay. So now, if you want to buy some BNKRX, you go scroll up here to buy. here's sell, here's buy. So I want to buy some TRX. I mean BankRX. I have 3,000 TRX. So type in 3,000 TRX. Make sure you read before you buy. It tells you right here how much you will receive. Estimate of 3.855 BankRX. That's how much Banker would get for 3,000 BankRX. Sorry, for 3,000 TRX. Okay, so make sure you read before you buy. There was a bunch of people who jumped the line when this was first released, and they didn't read. They pressed buttons and they bought way too high. So make sure you read before you click buttons and know what you're doing. You also have to enable swap. Before you can buy. All right. Okay. So now, let me tell you a little bit about the stockpile. And again, I am not, or for the first time, I don't know if I said this already, do your own research, find your own strategies. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Bankroll has been awesome for me, and you know, I think it's a great community. If you have questions, you know, there's a lot of good people out there with some good answers and can help you in the Telegram groups or on Twitter. I'll provide the links below for their Telegram and their Twitter, so you can check them out. Also, there'll be a link for Bankroll as well, of course. So let's get on with it and go to Stockpile. Okay, so again, click to the right here, and you click Stockpile. Alright. So if you see here, BankRX price influences STCK cost. So right now, the price for BankRX shows you right here is 779 TRX for BankRX. So it just keeps going up. Okay, so Bankroll Stockpile is a long-term way to profit from providing liquidity to the BankRX ecosystem. Passively earn TRX rewards over time by holding STCK. Okay, so you're going to be getting TRX back. Your dividends are going to be in TRX. It's not going to be Banker or BankRX. So you will be getting TRX over time by holding STCK. So you have to buy some STCK with TRX as well, again, and to get some STCK. And let's read more. Stockpile is used to passively earn rewards while providing locked liquidity. Keywords here. Locked liquidity. That means whatever you put in here, you're not going to get it back. What you do get back is dividends for life. You can withdraw your dividends, but you cannot withdraw your tokens. Your tokens, your TRX, your money is in there to stay. Okay, so make sure you read this before you buy. You can also look up here, and it's a big tell that says there's no buy here. I mean, no sell. Okay, there's buy, but there's no sell. Okay, you will not be able to sell your STCK. Okay, so make sure you find the right strategy, what works for you, before you put all your money in STCK and you forget about getting some Banker or some BankRX. You want both. Okay, so STCK is pegged 1-to-1 to BankRX swap, which is BankRX's native liquidity pool token. And here's the fees. A transaction fee of 10% is charged on buys. That is distributed as follows. 4% of fees are paid instantly. 4% goes to a 2% daily drip, and 2% is permanently locked as liquidity. Here's the fun part. FarmX contributes 25% of mine BNKRX to stockpile players. An additional 25% is contributed to the daily drip. Okay, so once FarmX is released, you're going to see some good dividends here. Alright. Here's the stats so far. There's 591 players in. Supply is 2.7 million. Rewards are at 831k TRX. Okay, dividend pools. Here it shows you drip and locked, contract balance, and transactions. So right now, let's see, 20 TRX. Nope. 21 TRX will get you 1.033 STCK. So again, you want to buy 3,000. You have 3,000 TRX. You put 3,000 TRX into this box, and it will tell you you will get 147.507 STCK. Okay. So once you buy that, let's just say I bought 147. It will show up here after you buy, and it will show you how much you have, which would be 147, whatever. And then you will start to accumulate dividends. Okay, so this is what you'll be able to withdraw. What's in this box? This stays, doesn't go nowhere. It's staying there forever. Okay, so you can roll. Right, this button here is roll to reinvest. Some people like to roll when there's dips because you get more. Alright, but everybody does their own thing. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, create your own strategies, whatever works best for you. There's people have different strategies. 80% stronghold, 20% this, 20% in farms. Who knows? 80% in farms, 20 in stronghold. Whatever works for you. Do your own research. Figure out your own strategies. Like I said, you can go to the Telegram group, and they're pretty friendly. They'll help you out. They'll tell you, what's working for them. So roll is to reinvest, or you can withdraw. And when I say withdraw, that means you can withdraw your dividends. Okay. So we're receiving dividends now, but once the FarmX starts up, you don't want to miss out. Okay. And don't forget, BNKRX price influences the STCK cost. So look at that, 779.495 TRX for some BNKRX right now. And just in case you forgot what I said earlier, don't forget you need some banker. You don't want to just have BNKRX, you need banker. Okay, so make sure you get some banker. You either go here, trade, or you can go over here to swap. Alright. So don't forget to check out the links below, and there'll be the links to the Telegram, Stockpile link, the link to the SWAPX, so you can get yourself some BNKRX, and don't forget also, if you like crypto and conspiracies, check out Black Line Image. I got some merch up there. Alright, so that's how you get some new BNKRX, and make sure you check back for my next video, which I swear this time will be on Stronghold. Thanks again, and have a good one.